Hi, this is Sarah Wozniak, and we are doing part 2C of our experiment where we are inoculating the plates. So basically our instructions are, after the plates are already hardened, we labeled them 10-1 through 10-6, and we labeled our test tubes accordingly. I think I went over that in the last video. Because of the timing of the videos, we have to do them as broken up sections. So right now what we're doing is we're taking 1.25 milliliters of our yeast mixture. So 10-1 has the most yeast and 10-6 having the least yeast. Basically, we started off with 0.125 milliliters of distilled water in our test tubes here, and from 10-1 we put in 0.25 milliliters of our yeast that we have mixed here. Make sure that we mix it up real good so that we get all of it in there. Then from 10-1 to 10-2 we took 0.25 milliliters out of 10-1 and put in 10-2. Then we put to 0.25 milliliters from 10-2 and put in 10-3, so on and so forth to 10-6. Basically, we're diluting each test tube each time we do it. So we're gonna have the most yeast, my hypothesis, is in 10-1. So we did 10-1 and 10-2. Now we're gonna do 10-3. So we wanna correlate these test tubes. I think the hardest part is getting the test tubes to stay straight up. So let's see, we gotta go to 10-2. Okay, 10-3. So we're taking 0.25. It's kind of hard to get it because it's all the way down on the bottom. I'm sorry, 10-1, 10-2, 10-3. 10-3, and we're going to put it in 10-3 for our yeast petri dish. And then once we put it in, we want to make sure that we spin it around a little bit to get all the yeast all over there. And so we're going to do this process through 10-4, 10-5, and 10-6. And then once we've done all of that, we're going to incubate it for 48 hours. And then we'll come back and we'll take a look at it under the microscope and see what we grew. Like I said, my hypothesis is 10-1 is going to have the most yeast growth, and 10-6 will have the least, because we diluted it each time we mixed the solutions. So once again, we'll be back.